to insert SIM card into POCO F7 Pro, we need to take a look at the bottom of the phone, because over here we have our SIM tray. In order to open the SIM tray, to eject it, we need to use a pin, a SIM eject tool, that you can find, for example, inside the box of this phone. Over here we have this little hole, and we need to insert the eject tool into that hole, and then just push it in with a little bit of force, just a little bit, until the SIM tray comes out slightly. As you can see, it sticks out just a little bit, so now we can use our fingernails or fingers in order to completely remove the SIM tray. After that, you can insert your SIM card into the phone. You need to simply match the shape of the slot and just insert the SIM tray. Sorry, the SIM card into the SIM tray. And of course, we also have SIM 2, so we can insert the second SIM card as well. There we go. Make sure that it is fully in, that it doesn't stick out. And now we can insert the SIM tray with our SIM card or SIM cards into the phone, back into the phone. So just push it in with your finger, make sure that it is fully in, it should not stick out at all. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!